Hi there, Nick here from Tech Radar. If you're running out of shows to watch and need something fun to binge, then we've got you covered. Here are our picks of what to watch this June only on Netflix Middle East. What better way to get through quarantine than with the Fab Five? This season, the show trades its original New York setting for communities in and around Atlanta, Georgia. The Fab Five will forge relationships with men and women from a wide array of backgrounds and beliefs, often contrary to their own, while keeping it fabulous all the way through.
What happened here?
In the show's final season, Liberty High School's senior class prepares for graduation, but before they can say goodbye, they'll have to keep a dangerous secret buried and face heartbreaking choices that might alter their lives forever. From comedian Bill Burr and Emmy Award winner Michael Price comes a whole new look at the typical American family. In this fourth season, Frank deals with an unwelcome visit from his estranged father, Sue pursues new age pregnancy support, and the Murphy kids try out new personas.
So, you're a Frodo fan?
Yes, I just finished Fellowship of the Ring.
Frodo's in a book?
In the second season of this comedic and satirical glimpse into just what it takes to be a politician, Peyton Hobart must decide what kind of politician he ultimately wants to be in order to succeed. Peyton must find his voice and strengthen his political message to inspire and excite the voters. And those are our top picks of what to watch this month. For more recommendations on everything in the world of tech, stay tuned right here to techradar.com.